Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be mixing random / weird items into slime to see what they create. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. And remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to 300 likes. I pre-made a white base slime just because I didn't want to make slime on here because you guys know how to do this. And I bought these paints that are like soap paints for the shower for kids that are Crayola at Target for $1 at the dollar section. And I wanted to see what the texture or what it would look like after I mixed it in. So at first I noticed that this was more liquidy than I expected. I thought it was gonna be more like a paste, and I thought it was gonna be like a thick slime, but actually it was the opposite. It was super runny, and I had to be careful of mixing it because I was like, what if it stains me? But it didn't end up staining me because it was soap. You can just wash it up so easy, and this actually just made the slime more runnier, and it dyed the slime a little bit. So now it's time to get a little bit more weird. So I decided to put Legos into my slime. I haven't seen this been done like on YouTube, so I decided to buy some Legos and put them in slime. I thought these were gonna actually like hurt because you know how when you step on Legos you like start crying. That's me though. I start crying when I step on a Lego. So I just put a whole bag of Legos into my slime. I used the old slime from the last weird thing I put in. So I just used that and I just started mixing that together. It hurt a little bit, but I could like stand the pain. So it came out really crunchy, and yeah, I don't know. I don't like this slime, but I don't, you know, hate it at the same time. It's kind of crunchy and satisfying. So I have been seeing this like floral foam and water type of trend on Instagram lately, so I decided what happens if I mix floral foam into slime. So here I just decided to put some slime on top of my floral foam and just started mixing that together until it started like combining. This was super hard to like start like kneading together just because the floral foam was not wet. I didn't want to wet it because then the slime would become more and more like sticky, and I didn't want that. I wanted to see if this actually became like a butter slime, just because when you actually put water in floral foam, it creates like, I don't know the texture of it. It's like a sponge, but not a sponge at the same time. So I just started mixing that together until it completely combined. So the end of the result of this slime is super nice. It turned out like a grainy slime, or a fake snow slime if you guys want to call it like that. And it turned out super nice. The color is super nice and like minty, and I really like it how it came out. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, guys. If you guys liked the video and want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.